Are you gonna go and fly and do anything? Go get a bad guy.
Whoa.
I don't know, find one.
There it is.
Okay, go get the bad guy. Oh, is Damien the bad guy? The curse of the little brother. You're always the bad guy. Oh, soft, soft, soft. Is your plot foiled? Oh my goodness! Our superhero's down! Man down, man down! What are you gonna do now? Is it so funny? Oh, here he goes. He's up again! You have to foil the plot. You have to thwart him.
Or with my kit. Yeah. I am a superhero.
You are.
I get him.
You did. You got him.